Hello everybody, today is Thursday. We are on day 2 of Law of Cosines, and we're going to be doing a similar activity to our right triangle scavenger hunt, except it's all in one place, and it's all within a Google Slides presentation. So when you're done, you will submit that Google Slides presentation. Your only task for today is to complete the Law of Sines digital task cards that are posted to Google Classroom. You'll open up that PowerPoint or Google Slides, and it has already made a copy for you. So you don't have to fiddle far around with any of it. It already has a copy for you. You'll open up that presentation, all right, and one of the very first slides, it gives you a reference sheet of the law of cosines. So it's right there, readily available for you. One thing I do want to note is it shows the equation in two formats. You can either put your sine and your angle measure on top or bottom. I did not discuss that within the notes videos. You'll see it written both ways. It does not matter as long as you have your angles attached to your sines and your side measure either underneath or on top of it. It does not matter because when you cross multiply, it cancels out that fraction. So as long as you're consistent throughout, either you choose, do you want your sine on top or do you want your sine on bottom? It does not matter. So just pick which orientation you would like to use. There's also directions and how to complete this activity on there, but I want to talk through it with you for a second. On the slides 4 through 19, there are task cards. Each slide is its own task card. It has a problem on there. It gives you a prompt. For example, find angle B. Find side length BC, and you are going to use law of cosines for all of these, so you will not be using your trig ratios. However, if you did have a right angle, you could. So that's where that option comes through. So you're going to go through, complete each task card. On the very last slide, slide 20, that is your worksheet. That's where you're inputting your answers. And on there, it has a box, 1 through 16. And there's little dash boxes in there. Those little dash boxes are text boxes. So if you are going to put in your answer, which you are because that's how you're going to submit your work, you will click on one of those dash boxes, double click, and type your answer. So I'm going to be looking, when I'm grading this, I'm going to be going and looking at that last slide for those answers. If you have any trouble formatting it or inserting any of those answers, please let me know. I am here to help. This is your only activity for today. And I think this is our last note section. So this is your only activity for today before we start studying up for the test. Okay? So if you have any questions, please let me know. Have a good day, guys.